how to turn on or off new posts from hashtags on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off new posts from hashtag you're following on Likee app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. And now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on setting, and you're gonna find notifications. Click on it, and here all you need to do is click on new posts from hashtags. You can turn off this option to turn off notifications when hashtags you are following have published new posts. You don't get receive the notifications. So this is it, so easy and quick. Turn on or off whatever you want. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If this video was helpful, or if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.